One of the most important pillar of well-defined financial plan is investment. Investments allows us to grow money at a better rate than savings account. It is important to generate returns more than inflation to keep up with rising costs and to generate wealth for your financial success. You can invest your money in real estate, stock market, provident fund, fixed deposits and many more. But equity and stock market is the most appealing and attractive investment. The reason for its popularity is the potential of high returns that it allows. But if one is not careful, then glittering charm of this stock market could cause us heavy losses. Presenting you 9 basic rules of investing to keep in mind to make your stock market experience a smooth one. Focus on the long term. Many enter the market when it is down and exit it to make some quick profit. This is very common, but it is impossible to predict when the stock market will increase or whether its growth has reached the maximum potential, as there are many factors affecting the market prices. So, rather than thinking of the stock market as a short-term money-making tool, think of it as a long-term investment option. Buy stocks by keeping long-term returns in mind, because stock market investments perform significantly better than other assets in the long term. Do your homework. Investing blindly in the stock market without proper research or a basic understanding of economics is like shooting oneself in the foot. Before you invest your money in stock markets, invest some time and effort in understanding how the stock market works. Learn about economic trends and factors affecting the stock market. When investing in a particular company, it is a must to do some research on the company's past performance as well as future potential. The only way to do that is to go through the technical information about that company's economic performance. Understanding balance sheets, profit and loss accounts, operating margins, earnings per share, and other information will help you know how a company is performing. If you are a newcomer to the world of stock market investing, read articles online that explain how to invest in share market for beginners. Also understand the global effects that are acting on the stock market. Politics and news also greatly influence the stock market. Stay away from tips and rumors. There are market tips and rumors from all sides. Your friends and colleagues will bring in tips to buy or sell particular stocks. There are many stock market entertainment channels as well, but many of these are just rumors. One of the most important golden rules of investing is to stay away from these, since they could all be untrue. Focus more on the fundamentals of the market and you will be in a much better position to make informed decisions. There are two types of risk. Market risk. It is also called as systematic risk. It is inherent to the market, like pandemic that we are going through. Unsystematic risk is the second type of risk. It is unique to a specific company or industry. So don't put all of your money in one stock or one sector. We can eliminate unsystematic risk through diversification. Usually, it is advisable to invest in a combination of small, mid, and large cap stocks. Small and mid cap stocks have the most potential for growth and great returns, but also have risk associated with them. And large cap stocks are mostly stable with acceptable returns. So, a combination of all three would allow you to invest in stability as well as growth at the same time. Diversification is something that can help you counter the volatility of the stock market. Understand business models of companies that you invest in. You should only put your money into companies whose business models you understand clearly. Businesses will sound with sound strategies and clear projections are bound to be financially stronger in the long run. Do not put your money in a business whose strategy you are having a hard time understanding. Do not make rash decisions. The sudden volatility and unpredictability of the stock market can be a cause for great stress. So, if you find that your stock has fallen suddenly, do not be in a rush to sell it. Take a deep breath and sit back. If the economic fundamentals of the company are sound, then the stock is likely to go up again. The same is true when buying stocks. Do not buy stocks in a rush just because everyone is buying it and advising you to do the same. Herd mentality is quite common in the stock market trade, and it is best to form your own informed decision. Never take loans to invest in the stock market. Stock market investing is dependent greatly on how long you are able to keep the stock. If you borrow money to invest, you are bound to be in a time crunch when it comes to repaying the loan. Always invest your surplus money in the stock market, money that you know you are not in immediate need of. This way, you increase your stock withholding potential up to the right time. Invest small and regular. When it comes to stock market investing, it is better to invest small sums at regular intervals rather than one large sum in one go. Smaller investments, other than being cheaper, will also allow you to be flexible with your investments. Always monitor your investments. Stock market investment is never about investing once and forgetting about it. That may be true for something like fixed deposits, but not for the stock market. Since the stock market is highly volatile, stock prices keep changing along with the changes in the company itself. So, when you monitor your portfolio, you know in time whether you should let go of some stocks that you feel aren't doing well. These are the golden rules. I'm sure it will help you to understand how to invest in stock market in India. Understanding the basic concepts of the stock market is a key. You will come across many individuals who will offer tips, claim to have a formula, or offer guaranteed returns. Simply stay away and focus on the basics. If you practice discipline, patience, and consistency, I'm sure you can definitely have great rewards. Thank you and subscribe to my channel.